Let's go. I did go Ghana to catch a good time. So this pretty girl.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back again with a brand new video. Believe me, this is one of the videos that I've got a lot of requests. A lot of people have been asking me, Pare, how can I get into IT? I don't know why I have not addressed this in one of my videos. Probably I've been busy with something else. But here you have it, how to get into IT without an IT experience. Like the video and hit the subscribe button. Let's get into this video. Getting into IT is one of the easiest and the simplest thing to do, but staying in IT is the problem because you need commitment, you need time, you need dedication. IT is not an area that you get into today and let's say you start making money. Nah, it's an area that you grow gradually, step by step. You take the baby step till you get to where you're going to. If you want to be in IT, you need to discipline yourself. I have 7 nuggets I will drop on the video. Get your piece of paper and your biro because you need to take down this point, these principles. And believe me, if you can commit to all of them, it's not long that you see yourself in an IT field. Let's go. Number 1 on my list is internship. There are a lot of government internship programs. If you're in the UK like this, you cannot tell me that you've not seen 1 or 2 of them. There are a lot of companies as well that offers internship program completely free. This is just an opportunity for you to go and learn the basics. Start from the scratch. You understand the basic principles, the fundamentals. It can be a boot camp. It can just be like a training center. It can be online as well. So you just need to make yourself available of some of these opportunities. Let's say you have even looked around and you've not gotten any internship around you. Drop into a computer shop. Come on, bring down your ego, man. Get into a computer repair center. Ha! Believe me, the things that you learn from these computer shops are enormous. It can be once a week, it can be 2 times a week, depending on your schedule. What you learn in the computer shop is fundamentals. This is where you understand what a RAM look like, what a hard disk look like, what is CMOS battery, what is a motherboard, how can you lose a computer, how can you tighten it back, how can you run software, how can you uninstall a software, what happens to a computer when it makes this noise, what happens if there's nothing on the screen, what is the problem, what is antivirus, how can you troubleshoot a network. A lot of people take their computers to the computer shops for repairs and you are like a first point of contact. Come on, you're gonna learn a lot. And when you come out from a computer center, you already know how to troubleshoot computers. Believe me. Number 2, research IT jobs. Now, let's say you're already running an internship or you're already in a computer center, a computer shop. This is the time for you to start looking at some kind of related IT jobs. What is the work of a network engineer? Who is a data scientist? What is this DevOps that I'm seeing everywhere? I'm seeing cybersecurity everywhere. What do they do? What is their job responsibilities? What is IT service desk, IT technician? At this point, you begin to ask a lot of questions. What is the role of a software engineering manager, mobile application developer, database manager, product manager? All these guys talking about artificial intelligence, what do they do? What is this blockchain engineering? What is Internet of Things? Come on, solution architect. Come on, what are these guys into? At this point, you begin to have kind of a clarification on what you want to do. Okay, I'm not into graphics, I don't like graphics work, but I love security. Okay, probably cybersecurity will make some sense. Or maybe IT system security manager. You begin to understand where you are going to. Even though you have not yet arrived, but at this point you understand a lot of things. Another thing that you understand when you start researching IT jobs is you begin to understand, okay, what do I need to be this? What do I need to be a cloud engineer? These guys that are earning over 100,000 as a cloud engineer or enterprise architect, what qualification do they have? How did they start? What is their job role and what is their job qualification? All these things begin to sparkle in your mind and you begin to understand, okay, this is what I need to get here. Number 3, certification. So at this point, you start to think of having some certification. If you are at the early stage of your career, I'm gonna recommend CompTIA IT Fundamentals. This certification is an introduction to the basic IT knowledge and skills, probably some of the things that you did when you were in the computer shop. CompTIA IT Fundamental Exam focuses on the essential IT skills and knowledge needed to perform tasks commonly performed by advanced end users and entry-level IT professionals alike. This certification will give you the fundamental knowledge and skills required to identify and explain the basics of computing. You will understand IT infrastructure, software development, and database use. So after grabbing this certification, you can now start thinking of CompTIA A+, CompTIA Network Plus, CompTIA Security Plus. At this time, you now have a broad understanding of where you want to go to in IT. Nobody will tell you. You just know this is area I want to focus on. This is the point that I should include probably going to the university if you really want to. But you don't need a university to get into IT. Nah. If you feel like you want to go, no problem, you can go and pick up an IT course. But believe me, you don't need it. Number 4, build your resume. Now you've done a lot of training, class-based or online, I don't know. You've probably been to the university and you've gotten 1 or 2 certifications. It's time to build your CV. Include all these details in your CV, where you've studied, courses you've taken, certification you've had, where you have worked. Your CV should portray the area that you are going to. Your CV should be able to tell a recruiter this guy is into solution architect or a cloud engineer. Don't mix up anything. Don't start telling us one engineering job you did with XYZ company. There's no recruiter that want to see this, you understand? Everything should be direct to the point. Include your certification. If you have the link for your certification, put it there. Let them go and verify you've gotten it. Number 5 on my list, pimp your LinkedIn and your Twitter. A lot of you guys are spending time on Facebook. You don't need that site, man. What are you doing on Facebook if you are looking for an IT job? Come on. What I mean by pimping your LinkedIn, your profile picture should be open to work. Include all your certification, fill up everything. Include even the tags. This is the time to start following people on LinkedIn that are in your field. Come on, what are they doing? What are they sharing? What seminars, what event, what conference are they attending? What are they learning? And the same thing on Twitter. I'm not a Twitter fan. A lot of things happen on Twitter. Pimp your Twitter as well. Follow those guys that are doing what you want to do. There are a lot of valuable information that they share. Get this information. If there's anything you want to learn, you go and learn it. If there's any site or any link that they are sharing, go and check it out. What are they doing? What are they saying? At this point, you have everything. You have your CV ready, your certification ready. Start applying for jobs on LinkedIn. Start applying for jobs on Twitter. Any job that is posted on these 2 sites, someone posted it. It's not AI, it's not robot. Go back, come on, follow the guy. What's up, bro? I need this job. Look out for the requirement of the job that they've posted, which you are interested. If there's anything you don't have, go and learn that thing. And number 6 on my list, you need to start networking. Come on, network. That takes us back to the LinkedIn and the Twitter page, because this is where your networking starts. Because you are following the people that are in your field, you are communicating with them, right? That is the first step. From there, you can start attending events, join online communities, connect with professionals in the field. This is where you will learn about job opportunities and you will make valuable connections. Attend conferences, seminars. And the last on my list is apply. You need to apply, bro. When I talk about applying for jobs, people just think just to submit 5 applications, 10 applications. No, sir. The hustle is real. You will not just wake up and grab the job. Nah, there are some things you need to do to elevate yourself, to be different from a normal applicant. You understand? So you need to apply. Submit a lot of applications. Reach out to people. All they can tell you is no. And that will even make you stronger, isn't it? Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Remember, the key to getting into IT is to start learning and building your skills. With dedication and hard work, you can start a successful career in the field. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, hit the like button. And I'll see you guys